Hi Chris and everyone with Preferred Painting LLC. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. So contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself if done properly. And so I'm sure you understand the importance of being online because you do have a Facebook page, although it looks like you do not have a website from what I can find. So not sure how much this Facebook page as far as money is bringing you in or how you're getting your leads now, but like I said, a website can do that for you. So this video is going to be a little bit different because you don't have a website, but you can use this information for when you do decide to get a website. Three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So just for purposes of today's video, I'm going to use Ann Arbor Painter's website and the three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see here, they got a fill form. This actually is going to be bringing them leads because customers are going to come to the website right here, fill it out. It's going to go right to their phone. They're going to get that lead. Call today. They got a call today button. And so content. Content is not just the words on your website. It's also the pictures and what's behind the pictures and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, etc. And so this is an example of a website that they had done for themselves. And they looks like they're doing pretty good on content. And then, like I said, pictures too. So how these pictures are saved is going to matter. You're going to want to be sure to save your photos as buyer intent keywords so that Google can pick that up on the back end. Otherwise, it's just a wasted picture file that's not bringing you any value. And so let's go to their service pages. So interior painting service. They have quite a bit more words, probably not 1,500, so they have room to grow, but and their photos. So just when you get a website, make sure that your content, you have 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank, and then make sure that your photos are saved properly. Okay, next, so citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories, which would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. Those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. Well, I did type in Pinckney, Michigan painting, and you guys came up, so that's good. So you definitely have some citations, and then obviously you have a GMB. But this is because of citations, not your website. So it does show you have a website here, but if we go to it, it just kind of takes to your Facebook page. Yeah. So that's good. You are in Pinckney, but I'm not sure. I'm from the area, and I'm not sure which direction you'd like to travel, or if you do like to just stay in Pinckney. But I know we got Brighton to the north, Whitmore Lake to the east, Dexter, Chelsea, Ann Arbor. You got Howell. I'm not sure where you like to go. So I pulled up a couple other ones like Brighton. You know, we got Wow One Day, Kiter, Allen Paint, and then I pulled up Dexter. We got TRB, Tim Gunther, and Tribble. So you guys are only in the search volume for Pinckney, which actually is not as high as those other cities. And then again, if you're not in this map pack for citations, you at least want to be down here in the organic search, and this is where your website is going to bring in the leads. And so obviously your Facebook page is working, but that's Facebook, not your own exclusive website. So I have your GMB pulled up here. You got 7 reviews. That's really good, 4.4. You're going to want to keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum, and that's going to help your GMB and help you drive traffic, and then also your photos. So it looks like you actually do have quite a few photos, but I think it's like 7 through. I'm not sure if this is like 1 photo or if this is 2, but either way, or if it's a collage or whatnot. But either way, you're going to want to make sure that all these photos are saved properly, like I talked about before. Other than that, so 10 photos, 25 reviews. Other than that, you're on your way. And like I said here, it looks like you guys go pretty much anywhere. So you can focus your website to bring you leads from any of these areas in Southeast Michigan. And then the last thing is backlinks. So like I said, I just used AnnArborPainting.com as an example. What a backlink is anywhere that your URL is on the internet is going to give you a backlink. And so, as you can see, they have 821 backlinks coming from 158 referring domains. What I really want to pay attention to is the fact that not all backlinks are created equal. So when you get when you get your website and you start getting backlinks, there's free ones, there's ones you pay for. Either way, the more isn't always better. And so as you can see, they have 821 from 158 domains, but their domain rating is only a 15, and that's out of 100. So they're not doing it right. So just make sure that your backlinks are coming from the right places, relevant sites, and not spamming. I hope this info finds you well. I hope that business is prosperous, and I appreciate you watching. Any feedback or questions is appreciated, and otherwise, I hope to have enlightened you somewhat, and thanks for watching.